In today's world, NFTs have become hugely popular with crypto users and companies alike because of the way they revolutionized the gaming and collectible space. Due to the scarce nature of NFTs and high demand for them from gamers, collectors, and investors, people are often prepared to pay a lot of money for them. Today, I'm gonna introduce all of you guys with an unique and different NFT based platform, which is Volt NFT. Volt NFT is the fast NFT marketplace that allows users to sell and buy collectibles and leverage NFTs on the multi chain support. The platform provides an ecosystem of service through an easy to use interface, connecting the community while allowing full transparency of collectibles. Now, many NFT marketplaces are just that, a marketplace, simply a platform to transact NFTs on the chain. However, Bolt NFT believes the NFT experience should be so much more than that. And Volt NFT mission is to bring creators closer to the consumer and provide both creators and the customer with the best experience possible. Volt NFT will use Volty token to reward both creators and traders, fundraising on the platform and governance. Now talk about the use cases of Volty token. The first one is governance. Creators, traders, and all other Volty holder will be decided the future of the project, and voting will be implemented for a more decentralized governance type. Using the Volty governance token, the holder will be decided on the roadmap, new feature implemented, and future goal of the project. The next use case is payment. The primary exchangeable counter digital currency is Volty for all traders on the marketplace. Rewards distributed and contributed to all users will be denominated in Volty. And fees. All fees for the NFT marketplace application include listing fees are paid with Volty. And the final last one is Launchpad. Fundraising on the platform for new creators and projects will take place in Volty tokens only. Now talk about some of their feature. The first one is multi-chain support. One of the important aim is to go beyond the ETH network and to develop the fast, truly native multi-chain NFT platform. So the customer can store and trade their NFTs on multiple chains. Initially, the Volt NFT will launch on the ETH network, adding other blockchains as they grow. The second feature is NFT Launchpad. Volt NFT will provide a way for Volt NFT community to support and provide the capital for a new upcoming project of NFT artist. And NFT fundraising will be held only in the native token of Volt NFT. And the last one is decentralized and non-permissible. The Volt NFT framework is designed to optimize the benefit of digital asset ownership and trading. Core technologies depend strictly on the blockchain and automated smart contracts. So hurry up and join with this great project. Thank you.